Caffeine feels harmless, right? A quick cup of coffee, an energy drink, a little boost to get through the day. But here's the part no one talks about. What if that daily fix is quietly damaging your body, wrecking your sleep, messing with your mood, even making your hair fall out? Caffeine blocks adenosine, the chemical that tells your brain it is time to rest. That's how it gives you energy, but also how it starts a dangerous cycle. You feel tired, so you reach for more caffeine. But the more you use it, the more it disrupts your natural rhythm. Even if you fall asleep after coffee, it messes with your deep sleep. And poor sleep isn't just about feeling tired. Over time, it raises cortisol, the stress hormone that can cause everything from anxiety to belly fat to, you guessed it, hair loss. What is more, caffeine can deplete your body's B vitamins, which are crucial for energy production, brain function, and mood regulation. A lack of these vitamins can make you feel more tired, irritable, and even impact your nervous system, leading to more stress and anxiety. Yes, caffeine, especially when paired with stress and poor sleep, can lead to hair thinning. It throws off your hormones, dries you out, and can slow down hair growth. It also raises your heart rate, spikes blood pressure, causes reflux, and increases anxiety. That jittery feeling, not a bonus. That's your nervous system on edge. But here's the good news. You don't need caffeine to feel great. Hydration, herbal teas, sunlight, stretching, proper sleep, these are the real tools for natural lasting energy. Caffeine gives you a quick boost, sure, but if you're constantly tired, anxious, bloated, or even losing hair, it might be doing more harm than good. You don't need to quit overnight, but it's worth cutting back and letting your body reset with better habits that actually support real energy and long-term health. If this opened your eyes to the hidden side of caffeine, drop a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and make sure to subscribe for more honest health insights. True energy comes from within, not from a cup. Start nourishing your body with what it really needs. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.